To begin, we need to access the performance options in Windows 11. Start by using the Windows search bar and typing Performance. You will see an option that says Adjust Appearance and Performance of Windows. Click on this option to open the Performance Options window. Within this window, locate the checkbox labeled Use Drop Shadows for Icon Labels on Desktop. To disable the drop shadow effect, simply uncheck this box. After unchecking the box, click on the Apply button to save your changes, and then click on OK to close the window. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.